Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to make an org chart in Lucidchart. First, on the left panel, click on New, then select Create from Template. Now, search for org chart. Here it will show you templates that you can choose from. Click on one. Now you have a starting org chart. You can drag it to other parts so that you will have more space. Now if you click on the first member, click on Data on the right panel, and you can change the information of that member like the role, employee ID, and name. Now you can add another team member. Just click on the plus button. Here you can add their ID, name, and role. You can also change the layout like its shape. Then you can choose whether to show a photo or not. And you can also upload a new one. Now if you have a bulk of team members, you can just import a data. Just click on Import Data on the left part and choose from these options. I will choose an Excel and click on Next. Now choose your file and open. In Lucidchart, they need a specific field that matches your Excel file, like employee ID, supervisor ID, name, role, and image URL. And click Next. And as you can see, all the rows are filled because I have it on my file. Now you can create one org chart for entire one or a separate org chart. And click on Finish. Now, as you can see, it created an org chart for the data that I imported. And that's it. That's how you make an org chart in Lucidchart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.